This Cessna Citation XLS just arrived from the Lehigh Valley. It's a 2023 model, has a range of just shy of 2,000 miles, and a cruise speed of almost 500 miles per hour. So from its base here in Cincinnati, this jet can get any place in the continental United States in 4 hours or less. Drats. It's pretty busy over at Signature. It looks like they're going to pull this one behind another jet on the tarmac. So we won't be able to see people getting in and out. Have a great day. See you next time.
Lunken Tower, Aero 3901 for Excell was clear to land.